morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of Bubba's Garage. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Guys, I'm going to change things up a little bit today. I'm going to take you away from your regularly scheduled program, so I greatly apologize. But today, well, it's been a really long time since we did a video like this, and I got something in the mail the other day, and it took me about 2 weeks to open it. Finally opened it up this morning, and I want to share it with you guys.
Welcome to the channel. My name is Grant Tommy. This is Str8sixfan. We're like to focus on budget-minded, relatable, creative builds, little something I like to call offbeat hot rodding.
And that's because I really think it is ingenious and really neat. So first up, I want to say Grant over at Str8sixfan right here on YouTube. I want to say thanks so much for allowing me to be a part of this and being, we won something by accident. So we went and registered for a giveaway over at Str8sixfan. And we did not win, but we were like the runner-up, and someone didn't claim the prize, so we won after that. And I'm glad to actually get my hands on this because I did get to see Grant build this. I was pretty impressed with the design and being able to get it in my hands. It's pretty neat. Now, I just want to share that with you guys a little bit. So what you actually have is you have just Str8sixfan, right? So here's your Str8six head gasket. This I'm really impressed with. This is pretty cool. This is really cool. This is a test piece. He's been prototyping this. He had these cut out. And then he built out of some angle iron and additional flat piece of steel this little holder so that you can actually take the gasket and place it inside of the holder. And then guess what? You mount this on the wall. And now you have a screwdriver holder, a nut driver holder, etc., etc. Now, honestly, right here on Bubba's Garage, we're not going to put it to use. I don't want anything to happen to it. Not long ago, actually, it was probably a really long time ago, about a year ago, we won another custom giveaway like this from, I believe it was Hodgepodge Garage, built an AT Walker, one of the guys from Star Wars. Honestly, guys, this stuff is really impressive. These ideas that you guys come up with is ingenious, and it's really nice to see folks taking that creativity, not only being able to share it on YouTube, but actually putting it into test things like this. I mean, honestly, smaller version of this would be really cool for the keychain. I like this. This is cool. You know, us gearheads, garage folks, we like these kind of things. Grant, phenomenal job. More importantly, freaking great ideas, man. I mean, really cool ideas. Guys, do me a favor. If you don't subscribe to Str8sixfan already, definitely check the link there in the description. Go check him out. Send him some Bubba love. Let him know that we sent you. He does a lot of hot rod stuff, a lot of custom fabrication, things like that. So definitely up our alley right here on Bubba's Garage. You're not going to see any Jeeps, but you will see other hot rod builds and things like that he's doing. He's got a Project Fairmont that he's been working on for a while. He's had a lot of brake problems with it, and I believe he's slowly overcome those over time. But he's just like us. I mean, here's the thing. Right here on Bubba's Garage, we do the best we can with what we have, and that's what garage folks are. We're not mechanics. We study it, and we try it, and we learn it, and we do the best that we can. And he's definitely a member of that family. So guys, go check him out. Let him know Bubba sent us. And, well, talk him into selling some of these things because I really think they're pretty cool. All right, guys, we're going to wrap up this video. But I just wanted to change things up a little bit. I haven't seen anything like this in a really long time, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you guys like this video, do me a favor. Give me a huge thumbs up. And if you really like this video and you want to stick around and find out what happens next right here on Bubba's Garage, please subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you on the flip side. Good night, everybody.